Hi guys, I showed you I tried printing this little 3D catapult the other day and it all went horribly wrong. What happened was during the printing it snapped down here because this pink PLA has got very poor adhesion between the layers and it just snapped down there while it was printing. So when it got to the spoon up here, which is probably when it put enough sideways tension on it to snap it, from there on it's gone completely wrong. So apart from that, this bit here, which also snapped when I was trying it, is the lock. Well, that piece is broken, that holds this arm down when you push it right the way down. Is that going to snap while I demonstrate? Or am I going to get it all the way down? What we've got here is a torsion bar, which that's giving us the power, or at least we're storing the power in that. That would go under that little clip that's broken, and then you'd push that down to release it, and it would flick up and project a little ball of some sort. Anyway, enough of that. Had to go with the black filament instead. Now this one has printed beautifully, but we've got a slightly different problem with this one. This one seems to shrink a little bit as it cools. This one hasn't at all. So at the bottom, where this one should be clear to move, and I've been working on it with a knife to clear it, and I can just about begin to move it. I need to do a little bit more work on it. I want to be very careful so I don't snap it. But at this end we should have the same effect. We can see it clearer on this one, so it should be able to move and turn. And at the moment there's no clearance. You can just about see where there should be movement. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but there is just vaguely a line there. But what's happened is the black has, I think some people call it an elephant's foot. It's where it spreads a little bit while it's still hot against the bed. And that's actually filled in the gap that should be there, that should give us the movement. So I'm going to work on that like I've been working on this bit with the knife to try and free it up. Right, I've worked on it and freed up the bits that were trapped. So now that moves and that moves. So in theory, if it doesn't snap, we might be able to demonstrate it working. Now we'll just say, before you think, oh, what a poor design if it snaps, the guy does say don't use PLA for it. I am using PLA for it, but PLA does tend to snap. So let's see if we can get it back into position before it snaps. I'm being gentle. Oh dear, dear, dear. Is it going to work? Obviously in my video description I will put the link in there. There we are. It's locked in position. I'll put a little ball in there. So is it going to work? Probably hit my finger thinking about it. Ho. Yeah, we're not exactly springing all the way back up though, are we? But hey, it worked. I'm happy enough with that. I just thought I'd try it just to see if I could actually print it, even though it did say don't use PLA. I don't know where that little ball went. It hit the light and bounced back again. Right, found it. So let's see if we can get another shot out of it before it breaks, or just doesn't spring back at all. Here we go. Oh, I love it. It works. And like I say, don't take this as an example of how it should work, because it should be made out of something else. Almost anything other than PLA. Right, if I put the other one next to it, I'll have that as the thumbnail. I'll just turn that a little bit more so we can see it. Yeah, that'll do.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.